In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear or remove filter in Excel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn on filtering, apply a quick filter so you can see the effect, and then remove that filter cleanly so all your data shows again. Let's start by adding some filters. Open your worksheet and make sure your data is arranged in columns with a single header row at the top, things like name, address, and so on. Click anywhere inside your data so Excel knows which range you're working with. This helps Excel automatically recognize the full list without you having to select it manually. Now, look up to the ribbon and go to the Data tab. This is where Excel's sorting and filtering tools live. Find the Filter button. It usually looks like a small funnel, and click it. The moment you do, you'll see tiny drop-down arrows appear on each header. That means filters are now active for every column in your table. To demonstrate what we'll be removing, let's apply a simple filter to the address column. Click the drop-down arrow on the address header. You'll see options to sort, search, and select specific items. Choose one or two values to narrow down the list. When you press OK, Excel hides any rows that don't match your selection, leaving you with a focused view of the data you asked for. This is great for analyzing specific segments, but it also means some rows are temporarily out of sight. Now, let's remove that filter and bring everything back. Click the same drop-down arrow on the address column to reopen the filter menu. At the top, choose Clear Filter from Address. As soon as you click that, Excel removes the criteria you just applied, and all rows in your dataset reappear. The filter arrows remain in your headers, which is helpful if you plan to filter again later. Clearing a filter only removes the condition, not the filtering capability itself. A couple of quick tips as you work. If Clear Filter from Address is grayed out, it means there isn't an active filter on that column. Also, clearing a filter is column-specific. If you filtered multiple columns, you'll want to clear each one from its own dropdown. Finally, if your headers don't show drop-down arrows, after clicking Filter on the Data tab, double-check that your top row is indeed a header row and that there aren't any completely blank header cells. That's it. You've turned on filters, filtered the address column, and then cleared that filter to restore your full dataset.